My name is Stacey Weiss, and I'm a professor of biology at the University of Puget Sound in Tacoma, Washington. And I collaborated with artist Dorothy McCuistion for this exhibit. I'm a behavioral ecologist, and I study the evolution of sexually selected ornaments, reproductive behavior, and interactions between animals and the microbes that live on and in them. My fieldwork takes me here to the beautiful Chiricahua Mountains, which are found in the extreme southeastern corner of Arizona, circled in red here. These mountains are part of the Madrean Sky Islands, a chain of about 60 mountain ranges that rise up out of desert valleys like islands rise up out of the sea. This region is known for their incredible biodiversity. It exceeds that of any other region of the United States and is a world biodiversity hotspot. So in this beautiful and biologically special place, I study this beautiful and special lizard called the Striped Plateau Lizard, or Sceloporus virgatus. This lizard first grabbed my attention as an undergraduate student when I went to the Chiricahuas to work as a summer research intern at the Southwestern Research Station, owned by the American Museum of Natural History. There, I met scientists from all over the world, and in the process, fell in love with fieldwork and fieldwork in the Chiricahuas. Over the past 30 years, I've made my way back to this wonderful place nearly every summer to conduct my research, which focuses on two main questions. The majority of my work has focused on the evolutionary function of this orange throat ornament. While in many species, we see males being more ornamented than females, in this case, it's the female and not the male that has the color. Over the years, my students and I have found that the color is a sexually selected signal of mate quality, and our work is contributing to the understanding of the evolution of female traits, which had been largely ignored by scientists for too long, but thankfully in the past 25 years or so is coming more to the forefront. My second line of research examines the microbes, the bacteria, that mother lizards transfer from their reproductive tissues onto their eggshells during egg laying. We've discovered these microbes serve to protect the eggs from fungal infection, adding to a growing understanding of the coevolution of bacteria and their animal hosts. But what most inspired Dorothy was really the place itself and the life history of the lizards. Her work then focused on key moments in a female lizard's life. They emerged from hibernation and established territories in April and May. They develop their orange throat color, with lower quality females making small ornaments and higher quality females making big ones. They attract males and mate, getting fertilized the one and only batch of eggs they'll produce all year. Then the summer monsoon season begins, which is a period of intense thunder and lightning storms. These storms trigger the female to dig a soil burrow, lay her eggs, and leave, providing her eggs with no other protection other than the microbes she left behind on the eggs to shield them from fungal pathogens in the nest environment. And these images are from a scanning electron microscope. The eggs incubate for about 2 months, and the lucky surviving hatchlings emerge, and then everyone heads back into hibernation for the cycle to begin anew the following year. This cycle, from the start of the active period to returning again to hibernation, is what Dorothy chose to so beautifully represent in her art book. What I love most about the work is that for her dyeing process, Dorothy used plants collected from my study site and mailed to us by a friend at the research station. Sycamore and oak and juniper and grasses and more directly from my study site are present in this piece. The colors that emerge from her process are so reflective of this place that I love, it blew me away. I hope you enjoy our collaboration.